lek kai cricket ka banungkong e jongka Central Ribhoi Cricket Association kabala ai kerteng ka fast Central Ribhoi Cricket League kalayo ban sedang no mentagasni da ka jingya kun ka banungkong e hapadeng ka best of the best Umyam Cricket Club persya ya ka Benris Cricket Club kabala penlong hamadan ye lek kai ha Omsning Sports and Cultural Playground ya kate ka lempung lawan ban pli perda da u President ka Meghalaya Cricket Association u James PK Sangma kumukong san ha ka jingya don rangkat President ka RBYF u ba bipul thank you kumusmut kongsan u chatanya awasti IS u SDO ka patrakhma lembat ki nong yalam ka CRCA u ba don kupa sumer u ba Rocky Marine lembat ki we ki rang ba ka thain ha ba phai cha kate ka jingya lakai ka best of the best Umyam Club kala job ya ka jingkan ting pisa kalbat klajet ban bowling nengkong bat ailat ya ka Benris Cricket Club ban tit nengkong ha ka ba ka Benris Cricket Club kala kamai sispa arpu praran ha ki arpo over bat du no khandai wicket bat ka Umyam kala tit sispa arpu khandai ron bat kala yo ya ka nam job ha ka te ka ju ka sngi u President ka MCA u James PK Sangma lembat ki nong yalam ka association kilalej ban jurip ya ka jaka jongka Central Ribhoi Cricket Association ka badon hakasnong nong thmai ka bala ais ngau bha dakasnong nong thmai umsning na ka banta bante ya ka madan yelekai ka bapaka.
Congratulate them that despite this very short time after their formation, they have been able to really come together and work together and organize this cricket league tournament. This is not a small task, it is a very challenging task, and it really goes to show the kind of leadership and the kind of passion and dedication that the members of the Central Ribhoi Cricket Association have. So I would like to, on behalf of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, thank them from the bottom of my heart for this lovely initiative that they are taking, for the kind of contribution that they are making to cricket in our state, not just in Central Ribhoi but for the entire state, and for the opportunity that they are giving to all the cricketers, the amount of talent that is available in this district, to all those players. So a very big thank you to Badon Sumer, to Rocky, and to all the members of Central Ribhoi Cricket League. As was mentioned by Badon, the president of the association, that this is part of a grassroots initiative, and I cannot really say more than what he has already mentioned. Grassroots cricket is an integral and extremely important part of how cricket comes up in any state. It is actually the very foundation based on which cricket will slowly emerge and develop. I am quite surprised today that despite the amount of the teams that are participating in this league today, 24 as we were already told, that such kind of grassroots initiatives was lacking in Ribhoi district. I'm quite surprised. But it is a pleasant surprise for me, because today, after this league tournament has been organized, we have seen that all these teams have been able to take this opportunity and participate in this league. So better late than never, and it is a very good initiative. I wish Central Ribhoi Cricket Association all the very best in this tournament. I wish all the participating teams, the clubs, all of them, all the very best. May the best team win, but at the end of the day, may cricket win. That is from the deepest corners of my heart, my best wishes to all of you, to the entire Central Ribhoi district, and to all the players and the participating leagues. Once again, I will not take much time. This is a wonderful opportunity for me to also extend my support to the Central Ribhoi Cricket Association. We as MCA, it is always our endeavor to give any kind of support whether they're affiliated or not, it is our bounden duty to support cricket at the grassroots level and to help cricket grow and to help our players find an opportunity to not just develop and bring up cricket in their own respective districts, but also to one day, as was mentioned by Bardon, to wear the blue jersey of our great nation. So therefore,